Hey guys, today we are working on multiplication. We've been working on it for the last few weeks, but today it looks a little different because we are using what's called a 2-digit times a 1-digit. So looking at the 14, that's 2 digits, that's 1 and 4. I'm going to multiply it by 1 digit, which is just 3. So normally this would mean I'm repeatedly adding 3 14 times, or since I can use commutative property, you can look at it as adding 14 3 times. I'm going to do today's model using base 10 blocks. So 14 times 3, I'm going to construct or compose 14 3 times. So I've got it once, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's once. Here's twice, 11, 12, 13, 14. And here's thrice, which means 3 times. 11, 12, 13, 14. So looking over here, I do like that it's blue and yellow. So blue is my 10s and yellow is my 1s. And I can focus in on just 10s or 1s. When you are multiplying 2 digits, you don't want to become overwhelmed with looking at so many different things. So just break it down with your 10s and your 1s. So looking at my 10s, I've got 3 groups of 10. And that equals 10, 20, 30. And then looking at my 1s, I've got 4 3 times. So I have 3 groups of 4, right? And if I were to count all of those up, that equals 12. So when we're multiplying, our answer, the final answer we get, is called a product. Whatever goes right here in this circle, that's called a product. So since I broke apart my 14 into 10s and 1s, I'm only finding part of the product. So these are called partial products. Since I only multiplied my 10s and my 1s, these are called partial products. So 30 is a partial product, and so is 12. And since I broke them apart to make multiplication easier, I'm going to add them back together to get my final product. 2 and 0 is 2. 30 and 10 is 40. So my final product is 42. So now I know 14 times 3 is 42.